One of the biggest lies people over 50 have been told is getting weaker is simply unavoidable. But science is showing us something hopeful. Your muscles can still grow, your balance can still improve, your body can still adapt, even if you start small. So today, I want to show you a very simple routine. There's no gym involved, no pressure, no perfection. You will see I do it even in my warmest winter clothes because I chose the coldest morning to do the recording. Just movement that helps you stay independent, strong and confident. And remember, if you need to sit down, slow down or modify anything, that is completely okay. Exercise number 1, marching in place. We start gently, just march in place, nothing complicated. Lift the knees comfortably, swing the arms naturally. This wakes up the circulation, warms the joints and reminds the body, we are moving again. Exercise 2, chair squats. Use a sturdy stair. This is one of the most important movements after 50. Sitting down and standing up safely. Use a chair if you need support. Slowly lower down and gently stand back up. This helps strengthen the legs, hips and core, which protects independence later in life. Exercise number 3, wall push-ups. You do not need heavy weights to build strength. Even simple wall push-ups help strengthen the chest, shoulders and arms. Keep the movement slow and controlled. And breathe. Exercise number 4, heel to toe balance walk. Hold the counter or chair if needed. Balance matters deeply after 50. Falls can change life. So simple balance practice is incredibly important. Walk slowly, heel to toe. Focus on control rather than speed. Exercise 5, arm reaches and stretches. Now let's open the body again. Reach up gently. Stretch through the shoulders. Loosen the chest. And go to the left. Stretch to the right. Repeat it 5 to 6 times. So many people carry stress here without even realizing it. Side to step touch, side to side. Movement does not have to look dramatic to be powerful. Even small daily movements help the heart, the brain, the joints, and emotional well-being. Exercise 7, seated or standing, breathing reset. And finally, just breathe. Slow the body down again. In through the nose, 1, 2, 3, 4, and out slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your health is not built on one perfect workout. It's built through small daily choices, tiny moments, tiny movements, tiny decisions to keep going. If you haven't exercised in years, please don't feel ashamed. Your body has not given up on you. You can still rebuild strength. You can still improve balance. You can still improve energy. Start where you are. 5 minutes matters. One walk matters. One healthy choice matters. Because life after 50 is not about slowly disappearing. It's about learning that you still have more strength inside you than you realize. And if this encouraged you today, subscribe to Thrive, because we are building a healthier, stronger life together, one small step at a time.